Boo Boo. Boo Boo was like attacking me. It was terrible. Alright, so this is the fucking Deltrese of the bird world right here. This is Boo Boo. You know what? You know, I'm leaving soon, I understand, so I'm gonna come up front your face and apologize. And so I wrote you a little song like this.
Boo boo, boo boo,
you're a stupid fucking hoe.
Boo boo, boo boo, you need to take your ass home. Boo boo, boo boo, you're like fucking Del Taco. El Pollo Loco, you's a fucking chicken head.
Oh god, he's attacking me again, isn't he?
God, he's the Deltrese of the world.
You see you, Boo Boo? You know what? We saw you out back, bobbing for apples. Let me tell you, that
was not Halloween. And that was not an apple. That was a man's penis.
Hold my game. Hold my earring, girl. Hold my earring.
I'm holding your earring, girl. I'ma hold that earring. I'ma hold that earring. Hold my game. Hold my game. Hold my game. Hold my game. There's gonna be some brains flying up in this business. Hold my game. Hold my game.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Well, I declare.
Well, I declare there's gonna be some brains flying up in this place. Hold my game. Hold my game. Hold my game.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Hold my ear. Thank you for holding my earring.
You're welcome. I got your back.
You know, got that late night push. No, you better go make that money with your poor nanny. Poor nanny. I don't know how that song goes.
I don't either.
This isn't packing.
No, it's not.
I got my nails did today. Got my nails did. That stupid bitch Boo Boo. He like fucking Deltrese. Like Del Taco.
Stupid chicken head.
Stupid chicken head.
Stupid chicken
What?
head.
Oh my god! What a fucking chicken head.
Bob of apples, and it was not Halloween.
That was not an apple.
That
it was a man's penis.